Hello, my name is Amy. I am the Outreach and Education Manager with the Ice Age Trail Alliance. Today I'm going to do a quick live demonstration with the StriveOn mobile app. The Ice Age Trail Alliance is partnering with StriveOn for the Mammoth Hike Challenge. So I'm just going to take a little time today to show you some of the features that you can use while you are participating in the Mammoth Hike Challenge, hiking the Ice Age Trail, and visiting our local Ice Age Trail communities. So the StriveOn mobile app will help you explore, discover, and engage with those places, people, and stories around you. So just by using the power of your smartphone, it's going to activate and connect you to unique places along the Ice Age Trail. So we are excited to have you using it, and we hope this short demonstration will be helpful. So let's get started. There is the StriveOn app on my phone. I already have it downloaded. It is free to download in whatever phone app store you have. So once you have it downloaded, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to click on it and open it. And so when I opened it, it automatically opened to Croix Plains, one of our trail communities. I am here in Croix Plains. The Ice Age Trail Alliance office is located here. So the StriveOn app found the trail community where I am, and it automatically opened that application. So it was Croix Plains. If you are in an area that is not an Ice Age Trail community or does not have the StriveOn application, you will find a note that looks similar to this. So again, if you open the app and you are not in one of our Ice Age Trail communities, you'll get a note that says there is not a StriveOn operation in this city at this time. But not a problem, because what you can do is you can go back to that top header where it says My Cities, and you can click the Add More. So you can see that I've got a few trail communities, a few cities already listed. I can go into the Add More and start doing more trail communities. So I can add Milton. I'll type it out, and then I'm going to have to kind of look to see if it's found it yet. So there's Milton, Wisconsin, the third one down. I'll click on it and it gets added to my list. I need to add Lodi. Lodi is a trail community. So there it is all the way at the bottom. So there's Lodi, and now Lodi is added to my list. Who else? Verona. Verona is a trail community. There we go, way at the bottom. So now Verona is added to my list. So you can go through and search and save all 15 trail communities. I will point out one more trail community, St. Croix Falls. Saint is spelled out. So it's St. Croix Falls. There it is. It is not S-T, it is S-A-I-N-T. And then you will find it and you'll be able to add it to your list of My Cities. So again, a great place to start is going to be searching and saving all 15 trail communities. A second thing to do once you've got your cities saved will be to, I'm going to hop back into Croix Plains, will be to find and find and ask for a friend request to the Ice Age Trail Alliance. So now at the bottom of the footer of the app, you'll see some different icons. You have the home, you have something that looks like a book, you have the messenger, you have a search button, and that last button that kind of looks like people. Click on that, and that is where you can find the Ice Age Trail Alliance and send a request to become our friend. So it's not under search my friends, it's actually under the plus. So when you go to the top header, click on the plus sign and then start to type Ice Age Trail Alliance. So there we are. You can click on that, and then it will ask you if you want to send a friend request, and say yes, and then we get that request and we will accept it. So I can get out of there, but that's one way to get a friend request, and then we will accept it. And then once we accept it, you'll get a message, and then we'll send a message back to say, welcome to the Mammoth Hike Challenge. We've got your friend request. Make sure you check out the activity journal, and that's what I'm going to talk about next. So again, at the bottom of the phone, the bottom footer of the app, going back to those icons, we have the home button, and then we have a little button that looks like a book. That button that looks like a book, it's now highlighted. That is the activity journal. So that is something where we are going to share information about the challenge. We'll share events. We can share trail community highlights. We can post pictures. We can see lots of different things. And what's also really cool about the activity journal is you can do the same. So you can create an entry to share your photo and your Ice Age Trail adventures. And I'm just gonna type a little note, and then you can share it with a picture, to take a picture. You can share it with an image, but then it will post and we'll be able to see that. So check back in that activity journal throughout the challenge, because again, we'll be posting information about upcoming events. We'll be posting information about the trail communities. It's just a great way to kind of share your photos of where you're hiking throughout Wisconsin and seeing our beautiful state in the Ice Age Trail. So we've been able to search and save for the trail communities. We are going to add the Ice Age Trail Alliance as a friend. We've talked about the activity journal. Now let's talk a little bit about what you're seeing on screen. So again, I am in Cross Plains, so it has the information for Cross Plains up and active. So we've got trail information, we've got the segments that are in and around Cross Plains. We've got some things for our youth and education, but those are kind of the trail segments in and around Cross Plains. The organizations, the village, the local chapter, our local Dane County chapter, information about how to get in touch with them, the website, an email, a phone, some volunteer opportunities. And then we keep scrolling. We've got information about local dining, activities, convenience and grocery. When you click on these, you can go in and you can see, you can find out more information about these businesses. Some of the businesses will have a Mammoth Hike special. So if you click on that, it will tell you about that special. I know Crossroads has one, 1909 has one. So definitely check out some of those local businesses to see if they're doing any Mammoth Hike specials. Another cool thing you can do is you can check in. So if you're at the Culvers in Cross Plains, you can check in. We will not know the identity of who checked in, but we will know numbers. So it's a really great feature that we can share with the local trail communities and the local businesses, how many people are checking in when they are in the area and when they are hiking. So you can go through, and again, we'll have different things in each trail community because every trail community is a little different. So, you know, it's not going to be the same for everybody. We've got the hotels for Janesville. We've got the local brewery. So great opportunity to learn a little bit about the trail communities, to help plan your trips before you go. You know, what segments are there, the dining, the lodging, and then again, when you are there, be sure to check in. That will help us share our story with the trail communities and with the businesses. Kind of one of the last really cool features is when you are hiking a segment, if you were to click the Explore button, there may be engagement points that have been entered into the app. So the E's that you see, they represent engagement points. So an opportunity to tell more of the story of something along the trail. The really neat thing about the engagement point is it will only be activated when you are physically on the trail. So right now I'm on the app, I am looking at the Heartland segment. If I were to click on one of the E's, it's going to tell me how far away it is. It's not going to activate that engagement point because I am not there. So I can go into Cross Plains, click on the Cross Plains segment because I'm physically on the trail. I can hit the Explore button and it tells me that I've discovered something. So if I want to learn more, I can learn more. I can pick the engagement point. I can look at photos. I could play a video. Again, we've got some website links. We've got a description where I can read more about this engagement point. So because I am here, I have activated it and it will ping my phone when I come near the engagement point. So I encourage you, when you are out hiking these different trail segments that are within or near the Ice Age trail communities, hit that Explore button to learn a little more and to kind of take a unique interactive experience with your phone. Not every trail segment may have the engagement points, but we are working very hard to get lots of engagement points in many of these segments that are entered into StriveOn. First-time users, you will be prompted for an email and a password to create an account. This is not something we get. This is just really something that you need to do in order to activate the engagement points, to kind of check in, to kind of save your information. So again, you can, if you don't have an account, you can just hit the join button to register. If you do have an account, you can just you can just enter your email and your password, and it will get you signed in. So kind of just to do a quick recap, it is free to download in your phone's app store. Once you have it download, I encourage you to search and save for the 15 Ice Age Trail communities. Find the Ice Age Trail Alliance and send us a friend request. Be sure to check the activity journal often. We'll be updating lots of things in that activity journal. And also I invite you to share your photos and adventures there as well. When you are participating in the challenge, when you are out exploring and supporting and visiting our trail communities, the local restaurants and the shops and the lodging, please check in. That will be a really great and useful information that we can pass along to those trail communities. So please check in and check to see if there's any Mammoth Hike Challenge specials at those local restaurants and those shops and those lodging options. And then last but not least, while you are hiking, be sure to click the Explore button to activate those engagement points. When it becomes activated, again, you'll be able to kind of learn more about the trail and that specific segment. Do make sure that you have your phone ringer on so you can hear it. And you will also need cell phone service. So if cell phone service is spotty, you might not be able to get those engagement points. So thank you so much for joining us during the Mammoth Hike Challenge and using the StriveOn app. Have a great challenge. Have fun. I hope you get to explore new areas to the trail, or maybe it's just your favorite segment that's right out your back door. It doesn't really matter how you do it. We're just happy that you're doing it. So thank you so much. Good luck on the challenge and happy hiking.